Look at those colors. They're still pretty. They are a lot smaller. But we know how that goes. We know how that goes. Yeah, we do. You keep tumbling, they keep getting smaller. It's kind of the way things go. Anyway, look at how tiny this sandwich has become, although it's really pretty. Wait, hang on. It's really pretty. Yeah, it is. It's just tiny. So I did put some more of these in there for filler. And they're not too bad. Not too bad at all. My one little token amethyst here. Quite cute. This one hasn't gotten too small at all. It's just a beautiful shape. So let's see the other tiger's eye. There's 3 of them in here. And then the other tumbler is full of just raw tiger's eye. So there's 2. Where's the third? Here's the third one. Here we go. That side's not much to look at, and that side says hello. That's pretty. Oh, I love those. That's gorgeous. So yeah, there's some quartz in here. It's a little Dalmatian jasper, tiny little thing. What else we got in here? The glass is shaping up pretty too. Let's see, this one, this one, this one, this one. This was a big piece of glass too. Okay, these are all the pieces of glass that were in there. Not bad, huh? Shaping up pretty. I like it. I love this one. That's gorgeous. That deep midnight blue color is going to look so pretty. Probably it's a tiny little wrap. We'll see. We'll see. We will absolutely see what I come up with when these are all done. Boy, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Okay. And how about, where's that one that had the quartz on it? Oh, it's still here. There it is. Patty pointed this one out. Look at this one. Nice little line. Nice little quartz on top. Yeah. It's really cute. Oh. And this one looks like a cow. Sorry, folks. Anything that looks spotted just reminds me of a cow. Anyway, yeah, so this is what they're all looking like. They're going to spend some time in stage 4 because they're almost done. Okay? And I look forward to seeing how well they polish on stage 4. No, this one didn't come with my kit. No. That's just a bonus. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.